When you plan your trip, one important item you must consider is your luggage. Today, we'll explore the perfect luggage option for your trip: carbon fiber luggage. Carbon fiber luggage has gained popularity among travelers for its unique combination of strength, durability, and lightweight design. Made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer, this luggage offers a range of advantages that make them an excellent choice for your travels. First, the carbon fiber luggage is very light. The carbon fiber material is known for its superior strength-to-weight ratio, enabling luggage manufacturers to create strong and durable suitcases that are much lighter than traditional options. This means you can bring along those extra essentials or souvenirs without worrying about exceeding baggage restrictions. When choosing a carbon fiber suitcase for your Labor Day travels, consider factors such as size, compartments, and additional features that suit your specific needs. Look for suitcases with well-designed interiors, including pockets, dividers, and compression systems, to help you stay organized during your trip. Pay attention to the maneuverability of the suitcase as well. Look for suitcases with smooth rolling wheels and ergonomic handles that make it easy to navigate through airports, streets, and other travel environments. Another advantage of carbon fiber luggage is their excellent durability. The carbon fiber material is extremely strong and impact resistant, ensuring your belongings are protected even in challenging travel conditions. The carbon fiber luggage is designed to withstand the rigors of travel, including rough handling, stacking, and transport. Its resilience makes it a great choice for frequent travelers or those embarking on an adventurous Labor Day trip. In addition to being lightweight and durable, carbon fiber bags often have a stylish design. The sleek surface and minimalist aesthetic of the carbon fiber luggage make it stand out from the crowd. Traveling with a carbon suitcase not only brings practical benefits, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your overall travel experience. In addition, carbon fiber is an environmentally friendly material of choice. It is typically produced using sustainable manufacturing processes that minimize waste and energy consumption. By choosing a carbon suitcase, you can make a conscious choice to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable travel experience. When you're ready to travel, consider purchasing carbon fiber luggage to enhance your travel experience. Its lightweight, durable, and stylish design not only makes your trip easier, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your trip. Have a wonderful, exciting adventure and safe trip. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. What else would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments section.